Hey, welcome everyone. What is up, guys? How you doing, fellas? Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How's it going, fellas? How you doing today? Yeah, I've been just getting ready my businesses, putting together everything. Let me see, where's my cup, guys? Let me see, where is that cup? It's pretty hot for the moment. Cheers, everyone. Good morning. Alright, fellas, so let's just go ahead and share the video with all our community members pretty much everywhere. Let your friends know about. We're doing $50,000 today. Giveaway. Right, so share this in all the trading groups. We are live. Instant funding giveaway. Beautiful. What's happening on Nasdaq? Quickly recovering from yesterday disaster. Look at that, what happened. How you doing, fellas? Gotta reach out for Ticktick and organize some cup giveaways, right? Look at that, fellas. Cheers, everyone. We're drinking green tea, Japanese green tea. So, $50,000 Ticktick Trader instant funding account today. Beautiful. Look at a choppy season that we have here. And a pretty strange market looking at the volatility that is happening. Not an easy moment to trade at such price action with a political fight there is in the United States between the president and Elon.
Order filled.
Not the easiest moment to trade, guys.
Order filled.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for some of you. Let's get started, fellas. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're sitting out here on a happy Friday, aiming for some great profits. We've got news coming out quite soon. And a bunch of things that are holding us at this level right now decently.
Order filled.
Bunch of news in the upcoming minutes. 8:30 a.m. EST time, we're gonna get the non-farm employment change. Change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. It's gonna be pretty big news out there. Taking my profit here. You know, I've learned my lesson. Hoping and expecting for breakouts, and they're never coming through.
Order
Exiting
filled.
right there, $717 profit, guys. Beautiful. Let's just get the fireworks good to go. Jeez, everyone. That's how you make money from the choppiness. Yesterday from this situations, instead of exiting on the top of the choppy area with the supply and the micro, I have been expecting and looking for the breakouts, and they never came through. So I always ended up selling on the lower side of the structure, and that put me on the losses side. Today we're trading a little different. We're refusing to be that greedy. Trading our top 1 futures, Ticktick Trader and Thrive accounts today. Markets have been recovering today from what has been going around, except Tesla. Tesla is having a difficult time, yet it's still trading right now below the 300s. It has a form of recovery, but it's not going to be an easy job. Look at a daily opening on Tesla, 320. And we got straight from 320 down 15% in 3 hours and 15 minutes. We all heard about the fight between the president and Elon on the social media. We're all suffering from this kind of things. The economy is not needing such disruptions. And it's definitely something that I'm not appreciating or simply value.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can form any
Order filled.
breakout at this point. Or we're gonna get rejected again here. Yeah, Thrive dashboard is having an issue, guys. I am aware about it. And they're working to fix it. That's what they said. So we got rejected once again. Oh my god. When we actually had a promising candlestick there. We actually had a promising candlestick, but we got rejected. For the 6th time. Good day, everyone. Good morning. Hey, guys. Humble Trader, Oliver, Adele, Miracle. I had the same issue, Mirovsky, and some of the members had the same issue as well. They're working on it. That's what we have been told.
Order filled.
I sold 3 contracts, accepted a partial loss. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. We're trading above all the moving averages and VWAPs of the day.
Order filled.
Yep, they're at the beginning and having such issues that they're working on. I told them they have to fix this as soon as possible. They kind of know it as well. But I think that
Order filled.
you also have to be capable to solve it that fast, right?
Order
if you're not
filled.
capable, you're not capable. So you're gonna solve it slower. Hello guys, welcome. All these problems are taking time for companies that are fresh, that are not experienced in the markets, that are dealing with these problems for the first time. For all their employees, think about it. And this is why Top 1 Futures, guys, is dominating the space, and it's going to dominate the space in the upcoming period as well. They have an extremely well-prepared team working behind the product. Starting from support until the IT and management. That's not a good sign as well from Thrive, changing their CEO. Yeah, they're extremely new, guys. They have less than a month in the market, so you definitely have to take them with a grain of salt. You definitely want to do that. That's an interesting buy-in once again. But let's see if that holds here. Yep. Ticktick trader as well. Opening my long
Order
here
filled.
as well on Ticktick.
Order filled.
We've got 8 minutes to go, and there's quite many things coming out today, including the unemployment rate, average hourly earnings as well. These are the most important news that we have scheduled. And then there's going to be a lot of volatility and then discussions with the subject of the week, Trump and Elon.
Order filled.
I've sold half of it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep, and today could continue. Today could continue, so think about how much money they made by shorting Tesla. They definitely Tesla is going to dump, is going to decrease in price action. So think about it. How easy it is to make money when you are in such position. Meanwhile, you know it's going to recover after, and we already see the signs today of a strong recovery, guys. You're trading in the shorts, looking for seeing a reaction here, at least to the upside of this range. But I don't like the missing momentum we have here. And there's 5 minutes to go. I don't want to be exposed. Yesterday we've been exposed to 10 minis at the time the news came out. Right, so they know the markets are recovering quite quickly. And they just take advantage of the impulse existent, of the fear existent. So they can make money with minimal risk. Because they make money during a time when things are emotional. Hey, Andrew. The direction the market is going during those times is like 99%. When there is such a thing, the market is not pumping. When there is uncertainty, the market is dumping. We all know that.
Order filled.
I'm out here. We've recovered about 900 bucks. On the other side, I'm going to be out as well.
Order filled.
We've made $1,000 here. Beautiful. This was a great trade. This one deserves fireworks, guys. And deserves cheese, everyone. Ticktick trader, 50% discount. Beautiful. Now, we gotta wait. 4 minutes to go, and we got tons of news. These are the ones we're gonna see. Well, the price action used to work for micro movements. But indeed, I can confirm that if you speak about major news, such as the current news or anything correlated with the inflation, then the price action is having a very, very low level of predictability, guys. Right, so that's going to be next week. Look at that one. From the 9th to 13th of June, we're going to have CPI and PPI next week. Wednesday, Thursday is going to be really hot. Look at the PPI, it's expected to be minus 0.4. Wow. So look at this movement. We don't know that. Neverson, you know, impossible to consider any form of prediction to this ones. Without having insider information, it's going to be pure speculation. And I could speculate both sides, both directions, rationally, with arguments. But it's again a speculation. And that makes no sense, right? Look at that one, guys. Could break out here, and then we could enter something interesting. Let me set up for my other. Two minutes to go. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. I don't know if we break out here without seeing the confirmation of the breakout. We could nicely see a fake out. So right now, before the news, this is pretty heavy. We had to get out of our trades. Yesterday, we got burned by sitting in the trades on the news. Yeah, there's gonna be big volatility, guys. Careful, 10 seconds to go. We're gonna see the price action, but at the same time, non-farm employment change. Have a look into that. There you go. Wow, look at that one, guys. Look at that one. That's what we're talking about.
Order filled. Order
I'm out.
filled.
We have 139,000 higher than expected non-farm employment change, and the market is really enjoying that, guys. This is huge. We already got a pump here representing about 90 points. This is very interesting, guys. 4.2 as well. Unemployment rate has not changed, and higher than expected average hourly earnings as well. Right, so the markets are definitely considering the whole package of news today bullish. There you go, fellas. This is why we have been closing our trade today. Even though we have been longing. We've been in long position earlier, but I had to.
Order filled.
Back in a single contract here.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
We made like $150. That's a huge one, fellas. Look at the 5-minute candlesticks. We gotta open the 15 minutes and see how we get to recover what we had on the dumping side yesterday. Look at the daily opening for Nasdaq. Look at that one. So clearly since the opening, we're just going non-stop to the upside. Wow. That was a beautiful one. You're here for the ducks. Good job, buddy. You know, the ducks is where the real adrenaline kicks in, right? That's the real competition, I believe. We got today $50,000. Instant funding account. What's happening with the gold? Gold had a quick dump and then quickly recovering from that. BTC is trading around $104,000, following the same pattern of Nasdaq trying to recover. Nvidia is trading nicely above 141. Good job, Neverson. Good job to monetize such moments. They're valuable, but the problem is that the risk is very high. The risk is very high, and I could say it's not justified. So, speaking about the cost of opportunity, you have opportunities in the market where you can make money with a higher predictability environment, less risks involved, creating you a cost of an opportunity that's lower. Those are the best situations to participate in trading, which is why someone that's a trader might need to wait 3, 4, 5, 6 hours for the right moment to trade. Might need to do that. Good morning, Fernandez. I don't think we're going to be bearish today with the markets opening, but you see, things can get unpredictable when it comes down to all sorts of childish political fights.
Order filled.
I think we're going to break out here, guys.
Order filled.
I think we're, you know, they want to go for my target here. Let's see. With this impulse movement that we had, I think they want to take this to my target. Oops. That's an alarm. That's an alarm. Sorry, guys. Come on, keep going.
Order filled.
Reducing my size a little bit here. I'm putting my stop loss to my entry. And I'm gonna let this thing run a little higher.
Order filled.
Yeah. We got break even. Good job, Henry. So you got paid. Congratulations, buddy. Good job, buddy. There you go. Speaking about a serious company, Tap on Futures right now is dominating the field. So we're profitable for the moment, pretty much everywhere.
Order filled.
We're backing along here, 2 contracts, quite exciting.
Order filled.
Putting my stop loss to my entry. This is looking beautiful, guys. This is looking like a beautiful trade.
Order filled.
What a denial. What a massive denial there.
Order filled. Order filled.
What a chance for a breakout we had, and it has been missed. They got stopped out there.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Beautiful trade. Come on. Let's go, everyone. We're backing along. Stop loss break even.
Order filled.
I'm also going to long this on my other account.
Order
so
filled.
Ticktick Trader. Looking for about $700 here. I'm gonna be fine with that here.
Order filled.
I'm sitting in longs out here. Trying to see if we get that squeezing above. Come on, guys, let's go. I got my targets on 71 for the Ticktick Trader account and 79 for the Tap on Futures account. 71 and 79. I mean 80s. Let's go. This is the one that's going to be touched first, right? Putting the stop loss to my entry here. Just a little more, come on. Ah, look at that. Just a little more.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Has been touched, right? Ticktick Trader, we got to 1,900. Over here, putting my stop loss to my entry and letting this one run. Increasing my target a little higher. Wow, look at that one. I'm out of
Order
this.
filled.
That's fine. We managed to be on profit here as well, 260 bucks, recovering the loss. So we had about $300 or so, but this one has touched the target, this specific account, 1,900. Beautiful numbers, fellas. Let's go with the fireworks. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Look at this 15-minute candlesticks. And then look at the gold. DXI the other side as well. Bitcoin is following gold instead of following the stock market. Those are the times we're living. Hey Anton, how's it going, guys? We're green pretty much everywhere today. All the accounts that we traded today are green. Let me set up some copy trading here. Morning, guys.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get back to the lows of this structure. Would be very interesting.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're missing continuation after a strong 1-minute candle so far. We are missing the continuation. We always max out the active accounts, 6 accounts totally, basically 3 on Ticktick Trader, 3 on Tap on Futures. Always going first, my Tap on Futures 3 accounts, and then 3 accounts on Ticktick Trader. And then the way I organize on each company is 2 accounts are on copy traded, 1 is traded alone. This is happening on both platforms. 2 copy traded, 1 alone.
Order filled.
This is a possible interesting spot of resistance.
Order filled.
If the market wants to reverse, this is the time to do it. Otherwise, I'm happy to be out from here. Yeah, I'm trading Thrive as well. I've got 5 accounts there. And on Thrive, everything is copy traded. All of them are copy traded. We survived here in a very lucky way right now, guys, on this trade. Extremely lucky so far. Moving my stop loss right above the current red candle top. It's not needed to be having a higher margin.
Order filled. Order filled.
Putting my stop loss to my entry.
Order
Selling
filled.
partially.
Order filled.
Sold everything there. Strength of the bears is kind of missing in the way I've been expecting it, so better leaving the boat. Look at that 15-minute candle, guys, in the way we have closed. Definitely not bearish at all. Definitely not the best idea to short this. At least that's my understanding, guys. Thank you so much for coming in, for watching. Make sure to like the video. We have a $50,000 giveaway today.
Order filled.
This could be a decent point that we could hold the price here. It's an interesting 1-minute price action. We're gonna play the Ducks today. And you guys will have a nice chance to be the winner.
Order filled.
Adding a little to my position. All the way back into 75 would be very interesting.
Order filled.
Right, so 15 minute is still looking great. Look at the gold quickly recovering out of that movement. DXI as well. I don't know if it's going to have a good time here to the upside, only to the upside. Things could easily change. I mean, that's the environment we're actually trading right now. Totally changing from a day to the other. Yeah, we need rate cuts, right?
Order filled.
You need rate cuts, and you want to be in a meme coin that's going to do 2000x. Putting my stop loss to my entry here pretty tight on my trade. Maybe I'm not going to be that tight. I'm going to leave some room.
Order filled.
Adding more to this.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Do we have some more strength coming in at this point, or simply we are gonna do a lower high? Come on, guys, let's go. I'm gonna put my stop loss to my entry. I'm gonna play this very, very tight. Due to the fact that if it turns around here, it's very likely it would have touched my previous stop loss. And that's not a good business. Exiting
Order
partially.
filled. Order
I'm gonna
filled.
fully exit here. We secured a decent 590 bucks. It's copy traded. So right now Ticktick Trader is having 1,895 on one account. 590 on the copy traded ones. Plus top one futures looks great on 260 as well.
Order filled.
Opening a little short here.
Order filled.
Going with the momentum. Putting my stop loss to my entry, guys. Have a look into this one. If I see the bull stepping in, I'm gonna be out, but for the moment we're fine. For the moment we're fine.
Order filled.
Sold 2 contracts. Made a partial closing, and I'm gonna leave this 2 minis ready for 742. $70 for my stop loss. If it wants to drop harder, I'm here, happy to monetize it.
Order
Let's go,
filled.
Twister. We've been stopped out on $70 profit here as well, but we've moved. We got to 900. That's good.
Order filled.
Back into the long here.
Order filled.
This is interesting, guys. How they are pressuring the 50s.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We're gonna touch the target there. Likely, or very likely. I don't like that rejection, but I'm still holding on this.
Order filled.
Reducing my size a little bit.
Order filled.
Reducing it once again there.
Order filled.
And we went to the downside. You know, we've lost something, but simply we're still holding on to nicely. Ticktick Trader with their new website is running their 50%, but their 50% right now is $399. This is the most possible in terms of discount, the highest available. It was $350 or $360. They changed the original price from which the discount is calculated, which is why the 50% right now is $399.
Order filled.
Interesting spot here
Order
that
filled.
we're actually respecting the 50s for the moment. I am back in my position.
Order filled.
Very likely to range. So I'm looking for making some money out of this range if possible. Exactly, so they increase the original price from which the discount is calculated, therefore the discounted is higher. I recommend both Tap 1 Futures and Ticktick Trader as well, but primarily for the moment it's Tap 1 Futures. Putting my stop to my entry here in case it wants to reverse. And I'm happy to make some money in this trade, guys. Let's go. Come on. Finally. Let me get
Order
out there.
filled.
Beautiful. 1,600, guys. And it's copy traded. That's a great one, fellas. Thank you so much, guys. That one looks beautiful. So Ticktick Trader is complete profit today. Ticktick Trader is complete profit today. Fireworks bust. Boom. Celebration time. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the video, fellas. At Tap 1 Futures, you actually received 3,150 on payout compared to the Ticktick Trader 2,400. That's a $750 difference per account. If you have 3 accounts, it's more than $2,200 difference at the payout in a single cycle, right? You can copy all your 3 accounts on Tap 1 Futures and Ticktick Trader as well. But Ticktick Trader is having 80 to 20 split on the payout, so you'll receive 80% of the payout value. Thank you. Thank you, Miracle. Very likely it's going to break the high with the momentum we have here, guys. Less than 30 minutes to go for the US markets. Pretty happy so far with the numbers we have. So pretty much everywhere you can trade all your active accounts, and that's 3 accounts that you can have. This is looking surprisingly good. Look at the 15-minute candlestick. You just don't want to say that we're not going for the fair value gap located there. We also have that one. So my question for the chat today, fellas, are we going to get back to this top of the fair value gap from the moment we started yesterday dumping? It's going to be 895. 21,895. Let me create a pool and ask you the question, are we going to 21,895 today? Hey, Jay Smith, you can have 3 accounts and copy trade all of them, which means you have 1 leader account and 2 followers accounts. Your followers will copy the leader, just like you see right now. I am doing 1 leader and only 1 follower. Follower is repeating the actions that I'm doing on the leader. I only trade the leader, and the followers are automatically copying my trades. But I could basically put my other account as well, which is not having any tag here, to be the follower too. So I could have 2 followers and a leader, and then I only trade 1 account, and that's going to be 2 followers, so simply 3 accounts under the same trades. Good morning, trader. We're having a great time here. Look at that. Our copy traded accounts today have hit their target on Ticktick Trader, is producing big money for today. $1,600, and the one traded alone is $1,900 there, guys. Oh, welcome, buddy. And Tap 1 Futures as well is $260 to the upside. You know, we're green. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. You know the 750s are very important here. Very, very important, the 750s. That's why we get this reactions in 750s. Because the bulls are actively holding the line. So I'm looking forward to trading my top 1 futures as well into my targets. We have 57% of the people considering we're going to 21,895, which means about 250 points from here. It's a crazy price action, just about a cliff, right? Just about a cliff, and then they take it to the upside.
Order
For
filled.
example, here could be an interesting spot for a long into 70s. Still part of the same range. Still part of the same range. Let me see where is the link, guys, for my Discord. For those of you that have not joined, make sure to join my Discord, especially to be part of the giveaway. We're having a $50,000 instant funding giveaway today. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Putting my stop loss to my entry here in case they want to reverse it. In case they want to generate me a loss. The first loss of the day. Let's go. Need a few more points here.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. This is the candle that needs momentum, guys, otherwise we're risking to retest the 50s. That's why I'm getting closer and closer. So we either get right now momentum, or pretty much I'm happy to be out. Such as right there, look at that one. Playing it very, very tight with my stop loss. I'm gonna secure about $300 there. Beautiful. I'm out of
Order
this here.
filled.
That's fine. We brought it up to $1,000. That's fine. We brought it up to $1,000, guys. That one deserves fireworks as well. We just had them back and forth today. What a great moment. What a happy Friday for the moment. For the moment. I'm humble. I'm sitting humble. IV26. Drop me your super ticket on private message. Let me reach out for you to Ticktick Trader. Right? Should not be more than 3 to 5 days. Yes, I am a swing trader since 2014, Düsseldorf. I invested in Bitcoin in 2014. So we have 11 years since I bought Bitcoin for the first time. And we invested in Bitcoin as family resources. We invested a significant amount. So I've been trading Bitcoin from time to time, swing trading, right? So I've been selling and then waiting a few months and then buying back and then waiting. So doing this long-term actions on a swing side. And this is basically our whole family bread and butter. You joined a giveaway by being here on the live stream. You will have to participate a contest to guess a number, right? But you have to be here on the live stream. This is the place the giveaway is going to be organized. It's just a little bit later after the New York market opens, so stick with us. In the meantime, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join our Discord. Bitcoin as investment has been developing very nicely in the past 6 months, especially with the large adoption. But the most important part when it comes down to the BTC was the adoption from BlackRock ETFs on Bitcoin with Larry Fink. That is tremendous, guys. That's tremendous. And now BTC in the past month or so has been going 1-to-1. It has been trying to go 1-to-1 with the concept and principle of gold, right? So when the markets were lacking predictability because of the political side and because of all the tariffs we had, gold was going to the upside. We've seen that. BTC was trying to follow the same pattern, which speaks about that people start seeing Bitcoin as a place to find more stability when it comes down to these situations. So it's following right now, and it's getting closer and closer to the concept of being a form of digital gold, right? So for the long term, you shouldn't have problems. For short term, it's different. Now, altcoins, they're a total different story, right? So they're not in the same bucket. Is it going to break out? What do you guys think about? Are we going for the target I've been telling you? Fair value gap on the 15 minute, right at the top. There you go. Are we hunting that one? When it comes down to the emotional side and the losses side, the first thing you have to do is lower the size you have been working with as up to date. Lower your size. The lower you're gonna go, the more comfort you're gonna find into the execution, and you're gonna control the emotional side naturally. I mean, you're at least going to have an easier challenge against the emotional side because of the lower size of the trade. So lower contracts. This is the number one thing you gotta do. And you're gonna scale basically your contracts, which is the next step that you would like to do. So instead of trading minis, I'm trading minis. But you guys that are having issues with the emotional side, you want to get into the micros. And then slowly scale your contracts as you see and recognize the control you have is still very balanced. When this is missing, downgrade. It means that you have crossed the line that you pretty much can afford mentally to deal with. You want to find that line which is going to help you. This is interesting the way it's moving around here. It's very tempting for me to long. Look at that, just about. And it's going. You know that I'm longing for 6-7 point squeezings when we're in these cases. But I've been fearing, to be honest with you, after having today 4 accounts hitting my targets. You know, I've been fearing this. Usually this is happening before the opening kicks in, right? They're not doing breakouts and strong movement without having the opening. Usually it's just ranging before the opening. So if you have some news that are triggering a massive pump or dump, between the opening, you usually have a range. In this case scenario, it looks like we broke out. The 15 minute here looks great. Let me ask you a different question, guys. So 63% of the people consider we're going to touch 895 today. Very interesting. But let me ask you a different question. Let me end this pool and ask you a different one. Hey, blessings, blessings, buddy. We broke out, guys, and we're flying. I've asked you the following question, fellas, in the pools in the chat. What do you generally prefer trading? Yes equals long, no equals short. What do you feel better when you trade? We've got the question in the pool, in the chat. Good job, Martin. Thank you for writing here in the group. Appreciate it, buddy. You're gonna enjoy Tap 1 Futures. 99.9% of our community members are enjoying it so far. And they've been delivering great services, which is why it's located at exactly amongst the tops. So, good luck, buddy. What's happening here, fellas? This is not stopping. This is flying. And I've been missing this, but it's kinda obvious why. No confidence in this movement for me. You like to take the elevator. The elevator moves a lot faster down. It's more brutal. That's quick money. 67% enjoy. Trading so far more longs. 68%. Come on, guys. Let's find it out. You got the coupon codes pretty much everywhere. Scramble for the highest discount. Here's my Ticktick Trader Cup. Yeah, there is the both sides as well, but something clearly makes you feel better when you trade one of them. Right, clearly makes a difference. I've been reading an article at some point that naturally people go either way. But the idea is that they told, it's not my opinion, optimistic people usually tend to trade longs more. Pessimistic people usually enjoy trading shorts more. Right, so they said there is a correlation between the optimism and the pessimism behind the direction you enjoy trading. I don't know if it's right or not, but they've been coming through with some data, and it was interesting to see that. Markets are long biased, and if you look back, there is no one in minus that bought 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, right? There is no one in minus. Yeah, the shorting side is interesting in terms of the way it's manifesting, because usually the market drops in a more aggressive way, and that's market filled with a more emotional side. Paul G, for Ticktick Trader, you first need to achieve your safety net. Safety net is located at 5%. And you can only cash out money located above the safety net, right? So whatever you make above the safety net, that's what you can cash out. "61% of the people consider to enjoy trading more on the longs. We could revisit here the tops we had. That would be interesting. You see, today we've made money from longs, but at the same time we've traded shorts, so no difference. Paul G, first you have to achieve the safety net. Safety net is at 5%, which is $5,000. And above the safety net, you can cash out. So you have to make money above that 5%, above that 5 grand, depending on how much you want to cash out. Yeah, the $150,000 account makes a lot more sense than the 100K. We got 3 minutes to go, fellas. And we got the New York opening. Gold is having a difficult time with the news we had. It's pretty unpredictable in the way it looks like. Yet they want to support and defend the 370s, and it's successful so far, but at the same time the pressure from the 80s is strong. So there is a close fight going on here on the gold. Nvidia is almost back to the top. Tesla trading right below the 300s. It's gonna be an interesting opening, guys. We are sharing basically for the giveaway 50 grand instant funding today, Boxing Corner. But during December, guys, we're gonna give out some cash money. December is gonna be very interesting, fellas. There's still a long way to go, of course, but in December on live stream, every day we're gonna give out cash money. December is gonna be giveaways, accounts, but at the same time, cash money every single day. I'm sure, guys, I'm gonna be here with my lovely community. 20 seconds, actually 1 minute and 20 seconds. So it's gonna be a great time. Exactly, Christmas time, we're gonna celebrate. And we're gonna have a good time together. I'm sure the companies are gonna run big promotions. But there is a long way to go. For the moment, we're gonna enjoy summer. Less than a minute to go. Careful, guys, the volatility here could be pretty high. So don't rush into anything dangerous. Yeah, Nvidia is good. "15 seconds and we will ring the bell." Let's go, guys. 5 seconds. Here we are. And the US opening is right there. I'm gonna set up my copy trading for the accounts here that I have for these two ones.
Order filled.
Let's see if a short works here. No,
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna be out. Accepted a loss of 300 bucks.
Order filled.
Back into my short. I think we could at least see the markets back to 750s. Probably
Order
not.
filled.
I'm out. Not a good idea to short it here, guys. Look at the 15 minute. We're not getting too much out of this by being short. It's good that I've exited at the right time. Compared to other scenarios where we were sitting in our trades and hoping. This is an interesting denial.
Order filled.
I think the strength is still to the upside. But let's see. Look at that one. It's kind of difficult, guys. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I don't like it.
Order filled.
Looks like I'm gonna get chopped out between these two places.
Order filled.
Come on, guys. You want to press the pedal. You want to press the pedal here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Putting my stop loss right there into my entry. Let's go, guys. Come on. That looks beautiful. Wow. I didn't close it, guys. I did not close it.
Order
Selling
filled.
partially.
Order
Selling
filled.
another partial order. We've recovered our loss. And I'm
Order
fully out
filled.
here. We recovered and we are 700 bucks in profit. That's beautiful, guys. We had a big loss. Whoa. That's a great one. That's a great one. Yep. So, let me tell you something. 6 accounts traded today, all of them on profit. This is 693, it's copy traded. But the third account here that we have is 1061. That's great. Ticktick trader. 1,895. And the copy traded 1,595. Not bad at all. I like to
Order filled.
grab a little along here that I'm expecting basically, at least for liquidity grab levels above the 800s. This is a place here that we could get into holding us, especially that in the prior market structure we had a short-term supply. Something like that. So we could actually see this one holding. I don't know if it's gonna hold or not, because we got this price action. We could see this one bouncing, right? This is what I'm trading here. Stop loss on my entry. Just a little more strength, come on.
Order filled.
Nah. Break even. Watch the markets flying back. Well, that's a flat opening on the 1 minute. That candlestick shows a lot of the strength, guys. They just came back earlier to take me out, and now it's running. And watch the markets going to my target. Look at that. I was having around 811 for my target. This is crazy. You know, I'm not going to force this. I'm gonna accept basically 655 here, and I'm gonna be happy with that. So we have 6 accounts back-to-back traded profit today, pretty much on Tap on Futures and Ticktick Trader. And now I'm gonna continue to my Thrive accounts. Thrive is, by the way, running 50% discount. Let me see what we can do here. Let me see here if we could monetize a nice push. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. I'm out. No, I'm happy with that. We've got $500. I am happy with that, guys. Look at that. We've made 500 bucks. And guess what? That was it. That was it, fellas. That was it. I'm done with Thrive. That's it. I'm happy with that. Even though it could continue higher, I'm gonna accept it. Because we have 5 accounts copy traded there, plus 6 on the other side. All the accounts that I'm trading, guys, 11 are full profit today. If I want to be greedy, or if I let the emotions kick in right now, I would say, let me force for a little more somewhere. Because I've made profits on the other side, sufficient money. Let me just force it a little more here or there. Right? No. I'm gonna continue my stream and we get into the giveaway, and then I'm gonna close everything and go play some tennis, guys. I'm gonna go play some tennis. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Now, once again, for those of you that do not have the links, you have the coupon codes, but maybe you don't have the links. Tap on Futures link, Ticktick Trader link as well for those of you that would like to see their page. Good job, Eric. Everyone, prepare for the giveaway. Let me see, where is the website? So, Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. What do you see on my page? What do you see on my page? Spin the wheel. It's time for a beautiful moment. It's time to be lucky. I'm telling you. We're sharing a $50,000 Ticktick Trader instant funding account. 50 grand. So, listen to the rules. How do you participate? Like the video, everyone. The video you are watching right now, make sure to like this. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Subscribed. And simply join my Discord. The contest is going to be between 0 and 5, including 0 and 5, as you can see. Join Discord, everyone. So like the video, be subscribed, have the bell turned on for notifications. We're streaming from Monday to Friday every single day. We're doing giveaways as well, trading, whatnot. So, get ready, everyone. We have been pretty slow today on likes. Usually we have around 105, 110, 115 people. Right? So everyone, make sure to hit the like. You'll have to guess the number, only a single guess. Once you see in the chat start, that's the time you write. Once you see in the chat. Let's go. You can start right now, fellas. So only after my start command. I put my start command, you can write your numbers right now. Only one guess per person. Do not write multiple guesses. Only one per person, guys. Between 0 and 5, including 0, including 5 as well, only one guess. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Boxing corner, you're gonna get a timeout if you don't follow the rules. You're gonna get a timeout. Here we are. That's the end right there in the chat. As you can see, visible. Beautiful, guys. Now, I'm gonna shuffle the numbers a few times. And we're gonna spin the wheel. Good luck, everyone. What's that gonna be? We have a double 5 coming up very soon. A double 5. Look at that, guys. I don't think this is gonna pass. That's a double 5 right there. That's 100%. It's gonna be 5. That's the winner, everyone. Now, We got number 5 on the winners. We're gonna bring up the ducks. 5 with the winners. Good job, guys. We have Badger helping us. Oh my god, look at that one. That's a very, very long list that we have here. This is gonna be above 30, guys. I'm telling you. This is gonna be look at that one. Wow. That's gonna be above 30 competitors out here. Wow. This is gonna be above 30, I'm telling you, fellas. This is huge, right? What a competition. Get your ducks ready. Get your ducks through some fitness right now. In the meantime, get your ducks prepared. That's gonna be a difficult challenge, I'm telling you. We have Badger helping us with a list. We all thank him. He's doing a great job scrapping the list quickly and putting together. These are the winners. Tons of people out here. We already have 23. This is a lot. We already have 28. This is hitting 35 winners. This is probably hitting, we've got 34. And there's a few more. This is getting close to 30 ducks. No, it's getting close to 40. 39, guys, that's all. 39 on the list. Wow. What's happening with QQQ? Oh my god, look at this one. Oh my god. Let's get back to a better business. 39 going to compete for 2 minutes. Are you guys ready? Let me just move away my face from here so you can see your ducks nicely. Good luck, everyone. Look at the crowded space we have. 39 players today. Wow. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Be subscribed. Look at that one. Who is gonna hit the board? Who's gonna hit the board today? What's your chance to be a winner? 2.5%, right? If we got 40 players, it's about 2.5%. We're doing right now the giveaway. Connor. Now it's the time for the giveaway, Connor. We have a 50 grand instant funding today for Ticktick Trader. Look at that one. 1 minute to go. Who's gonna take the lead? Lots of guys got the number 5 today, so you have to be here a little bit earlier on the stream to participate. It's too late right now. We have started the giveaway. You want to make sure to be here Monday up to Friday. Every single week we're streaming from 8 AM EST time. We're starting, and then at some point during the stream doing the giveaway. We're having giveaways every day. Look at that one, fellas. 20 seconds to go. Someone is going to speed up now. Who's taking the lead? 15 seconds. Come on. 10 seconds to go. Look at that one. Someone is speeding up right here. Who's going to take the lead? 5 seconds. And there you go. We got the winner. We got the winner with number 16. Congratulations, buddy. You got the winner today. 50 grand. TTT instant funding account for our winner. Congratulations, guys. Come on. Thank you as well, Fernandez. Appreciate it. Have a lovely weekend, everyone. Enjoy your time, relax. Get ready for an upcoming week with a lot of volatility. With PPI, CPI. It's going to be a big one. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. Have a lovely day as well. Looking forward to it, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you once again for being